have a business named Scrubadub Bin Cleaning, and I started the business about a year ago. What it does is it sanitizes and deodorizes residential trash cans and recycle cans. And we do it at your curb on the same day as your trash pickup. And we use superheated water, 200-degree water. That's what sanitizes the bin. The way I started this business was I saw it on the internet, on Facebook. And so I started Googling it, looking at more, because this type of business is new to the US, but it's been in Canada, in England, and in Australia for many years. I thought this was a perfect opportunity to have it here in New Tampa. You don't want to put a nasty, stinky garbage can in your garage, and that's where they're supposed to be. And most of my business is word of mouth. One customer having it, talking to their neighbors, and the neighbors sign up. When I decided to start Scrubadub Bin Cleaning, I have 4 children, my husband totally supporting. My 4 kids were skeptical. They're like, "Mom, you're crazy." And I said, "Well, you may think I'm crazy, but it's going to work. It's going to be good. People in this area are going to use the service." And now that I've been in business for 1 year, they love it. They are so proud of me, and they just think I'm doing great.